Microsoft is set to release SQL Server 2025, and reports suggest it's generating significant buzz in the tech world. This new iteration promises to be a game changer, with a strong emphasis on integrating artificial intelligence, AI, capabilities directly into the database engine. This article provides an in-depth look at the key features and enhancements introduced in SQL Server 2025, exploring how they can benefit businesses and developers. AI integration in SQL Server 2025. SQL Server 2025 marks a significant leap forward by integrating AI capabilities directly into the database engine. This means that developers can now build AI applications and leverage advanced AI techniques like retrieval augmented generation, RAG, without relying on external services or complex integrations. This streamlined approach simplifies AI development and enhances performance by keeping AI processing close to the data. A major advantage for developers is that SQL Server 2025 eliminates the need for special code or logic to integrate with external AI services. Vector search and hybrid queries. One of the most exciting AI-driven features is the introduction of vector search. SQL Server 2025 allows users to store data as vectors and perform AI-based searches on this data using familiar T-SQL syntax. This enables semantic searching, where the database understands the meaning and context of search queries, leading to more accurate and relevant results. For example, a user could search for news articles similar to ones they've previously read, and the database can identify articles with related topics and themes, even if they don't share the same keywords. SQL Server 2025 is a secure and compliant enterprise-ready vector database, addressing potential concerns about security and compliance when using AI with sensitive data. Furthermore, SQL Server 2025 supports hybrid queries, combining traditional text-based searches with vector searches. This allows users to refine their searches by combining keywords with contextual information, leading to even more precise results. Imagine searching for products with specific features and then refining the search by adding a vector representing your style preferences. This hybrid approach opens up new possibilities for data exploration and analysis. AI model management and integration. SQL Server 2025 simplifies AI model management by allowing developers to deploy, manage, and secure AI models directly within the database using REST APIs. This eliminates the need for separate infrastructure or complex integrations, making it easier to incorporate AI models into database workflows. The platform also supports popular AI services like Azure OpenAI, Ollama, and Serve, providing flexibility and choice for developers. Enhanced security and performance. Beyond AI, SQL Server 2025 introduces several enhancements to security and performance. Microsoft Entra integration. SQL Server 2025 integrates with Microsoft Entra, Microsoft's identity and access management solution, for enhanced security. This integration brings robust identity verification mechanisms, including multi-factor authentication, role-based access control, and conditional access policies, to SQL Server. By adhering to Microsoft Entra's Zero Trust principles, SQL Server 2025 ensures that every access request is authenticated, authorized, and encrypted, providing a secure environment for your data. SQL Server 2025 also supports Microsoft Entra Managed Identities, which improves credential management, reduces potential vulnerabilities, and provides compliance and auditing capabilities. Performance optimization. Several performance improvements are included in SQL Server 2025, many of which are derived from Azure SQL Database. These include optimized locking. This new locking mechanism, similar to the approach used in Azure SQL Database, reduces lock contention and improves concurrency by holding a single lock at the transaction level and taking and releasing row and page locks as needed. This leads to faster transaction processing. Optional parameter plan optimization, OPPO. OPPO allows SQL Server to choose the optimal execution plan based on runtime parameter values, addressing performance issues caused by parameter sniffing, where a query plan is optimized for a specific set of parameters but performs poorly for others. Faster batch mode processing. Improvements in batch mode processing enable faster query execution for large datasets by processing multiple rows simultaneously, leading to reduced CPU usage and faster overall processing. Enhanced column store indexing. Enhancements to column store indexing provide better compression and faster query execution for analytical workloads by optimizing data storage and retrieval for analytical queries. Persisted statistics on secondary replicas. This feature prevents the loss of statistics during restarts or failovers, ensuring consistent performance by maintaining query optimization information even after system disruptions. Transaction ID, TID, and lock after qualification, LAQ. SQL Server 2025 introduces TEAD and LAC to minimize blocking for concurrent transactions. TEAD allows SQL Server to manage locks more efficiently, leading to lower lock contention and faster transaction processing. LAC ensures that locks are acquired only when required, reducing blocking or delaying of other transactions and improving the overall performance of concurrent transactions. These performance optimizations, combined with the AI capabilities, make SQL Server 2025 a powerful platform for demanding workloads and AI-driven applications. Cloud integration with Azure Arc. SQL Server 2025 leverages Azure Arc to extend cloud capabilities to on-premises deployments. This allows customers to manage, secure, and govern their SQL Server estate at scale across on-premises and cloud environments. Azure Arc enables features like automatic patching, automatic backups, monitoring, and best practices assessment, streamlining routine tasks and enhancing business continuity. Other notable features. SQL Server 2025 introduces several other noteworthy features. Native JSON support. A native JSON data type and indexing improved performance for querying and managing hierarchical data, making it easier to work with semi-structured data common in modern applications. T-SQL regular expression support. Native regular expression support in T-SQL simplifies complex pattern matching within queries, allowing for more sophisticated text processing and data manipulation directly within the database. Change streaming. SQL Server 2025 supports change streaming, enabling real-time analytics by capturing changes in the database transaction log and integrating with event streaming platforms like Kafka. This allows applications to react to data changes in real time, enabling scenarios like fraud detection and real-time dashboards. Improved failover reliability. Enhancements to always-on availability groups provide more dependable failovers with minimal downtime, ensuring high availability for critical applications. Areas for future improvement. While SQL Server 2025 introduces many new features and improvements, there are still some areas where it could be enhanced in future releases. Some of these include: 1. Unlogged tables. These tables offer performance benefits for certain workloads but are not yet supported. 2. Easy partitioning. Simplified partitioning functionality would make it easier to manage large tables. 3. Table snapshots and thin clones. These features would improve data management and testing capabilities. 4. Community compliant create table as select. Improved compatibility with other database systems would simplify data migration and integration. 5. Arrays and struct for data locality within tables. Support for these data structures would improve performance for certain types of queries. 6. IP address data type and functions. Built-in support for IP addresses would simplify network-related data management. Flexible and working CSV, Parquet, ORC, Avro input/output in T-SQL. Improved support for various data formats would enhance data integration capabilities. SQL Server 2025 versus previous versions. SQL Server 2025 builds upon the strengths of its predecessors while introducing significant new capabilities. Compared to SQL Server 2022, which focused on Azure integration, SQL Server 2025 prioritizes AI integration and performance optimizations. The introduction of vector search, AI model management, and optimized locking are key differentiators. While Microsoft hasn't revealed specific details about SQL Server Integration Services, SSIS, in SQL Server 2025 yet, it is expected to be announced in 2025, along with other Microsoft Business Intelligence, MSBI, tools like SQL Server Reporting Services and SQL Server Analysis Services. Compared to older versions like SQL Server 2019, the advancements in SQL Server 2025 are even more pronounced. The AI capabilities, performance optimizations, and modern features like native JSON support and change streaming represent a significant leap forward in database technology. SQL Server 2025 is expected to have a support lifecycle until at least 2035, providing long-term support for organizations adopting this version. Learning resources. To learn more about SQL Server 2025, you can check out the session from Microsoft Ignite 2024 titled SQL Server 2025, an enterprise AI-ready database platform. This session explores the roadmap of SQL Server, including future capabilities for AI applications, and provides insights into AI-assisted experiences for managing SQL Server. You can access the session on demand at the Microsoft Ignite website, https://ignite.microsoft.com. Industry benefits and use cases. The new features in SQL Server 2025 can benefit a wide range of industries and use cases. 1. Healthcare. AI-powered analytics can be used to identify patterns in patient data, predict health risks, and personalize treatment plans. 1. For example, hospitals can use SQL Server 2025 to analyze patient records and identify individuals at high risk of developing certain conditions, allowing for proactive interventions and preventative care. 2. Financial services. SQL Server 2025 can help detect fraud, assess risk, and provide personalized financial advice. 2. Financial institutions can leverage AI models to analyze transaction data in real time, identifying potentially fraudulent activities and improving security for customers. 3. Manufacturing and retail. AI-driven insights can optimize supply chains, predict demand, and personalize customer experiences. 3. Retailers can use SQL Server 2025 to analyze customer purchase history and preferences, enabling personalized recommendations and targeted marketing campaigns. Conclusion: SQL Server 2025 is poised to be a significant release, bringing AI capabilities to the forefront of database technology. The integration of AI, combined with enhanced security, performance optimizations, and cloud integration through Azure Arc, makes it a compelling platform for businesses and developers looking to build modern, data-driven applications. The advancements in SQL Server 2025 represent a significant step forward, empowering organizations to unlock new insights, drive innovation, and adapt to the evolving data landscape where AI plays an increasingly critical role. This release not only enhances the capabilities of SQL Server but also positions it as a key player in the future of data management, where the convergence of AI and data analytics will be essential for success.